The Mumbai Trans Harbour Link, 21.8 kilometers across Thane Creek. Inaugurated on the 12th of January 2024. India's longest sea bridge. I first saw it at dawn. I'd left Pune 3 hours earlier. It was 3:40 in the morning when I pulled out of Dhanori, Pune. The Mumbai-Pune Expressway was empty. India's first 6-lane expressway. 94 kilometers built across the Western Ghats. At 3:40 am in the monsoon, there was nothing on it. Just rain on the windshield and 150 kilometers to go. By 4:30 we were through the Ghats. The Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. One of the 8 hottest biodiversity hotspots on Earth. 65 million year old basalt. In the monsoon they are extraordinary. Dawn came on the approach to Navi Mumbai. And then Atal Setu. The Mumbai Trans Harbour Link carries 6 lanes across 21.8 kilometers of open sea. The engineering took nearly a decade. At 6:29 in the morning, sea on both sides. It felt like floating. Navi Mumbai behind. Mumbai ahead. The city appearing through the hatch. South Mumbai at 7 in the morning. 2 hours early. Marine Drive. 3.6 kilometers of seafront completed in 1940. Nariman Point. Mumbai's financial district built on land reclaimed from the Arabian Sea. I walked for an hour. At 9 am. Documents submitted. Left at 10:45. The Tata Punch EV was at 21%. Tata Power 60 kilowatt fast charger at the Oberoi. 21 to 89% in under an hour. Enough to get home. Atal Setu again. This time in full daylight. The monsoon clouds made the return crossing dramatic in a completely different way. Pune. 131 kilometers. Heading home. The Sahyadri range. The Western Ghats between the Konkan coast and the Deccan plateau. In peak monsoon the hills are impossible green. At 12:31 pm the missing link. That is the actual name. A cable-stayed bridge on National Highway 48 opened in 2022. It cuts through the hardest section of the Ghats between Khopoli and Khalapur. Before it was built, this stretch added 40 minutes to every Mumbai-Pune journey. The terrain made a conventional bridge impossible. I stopped on the bridge. Let the camera run. Home. Dhanori, Pune. 2 pm 300 kilometers. 10 hours. 1 EV. Did I get it? Subscribe to find out.